In front of us, we have question 1, second part of exercise 3.4. Solve the following pair of linear equations with elimination method and substitution method. So first we will do elimination method. So what are the equations? These are the equations. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This is the first equation. 2x minus 2y is equal to, this is the second equation. Now in elimination method, we make the coefficients either x coefficient or y coefficient equal. So we will make x coefficients of both the equations same by multiply equation 1 by 2 is best value, and equation 2 by 3, this is 3, and then subtract the result, and then we will subtract result. We get, if we multiply this term by 2 and this term by 3, we will get, this is 3 to the 6, 6x plus 4 to the 8y equals to 20, and this is 6x minus 6y equals to 6. Now we will subtract. When we subtract, the sign will change. This is plus, this will be minus, this is minus, this will be plus, this is plus, this will be minus. So this will be eliminated. Now 8 plus 6 is 14y. So 14y is equal to 20 minus 6 is 14. So from there, here you can write y is equal to 14 upon 14. That is 14 1 14, 14 1 14. So y is equal to 1. Put this value of y, put value of y in equation first. What is the first equation? 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y equals to 10. Okay, now solve this. 3x plus 4 equals to 10. 3x equals to 10 minus 4. 3x is equal to 6. This implies x is equal to 2. So we have x value and y value. Now next method is substitution method. Now what is the equation? What are the equation? Equation is 3x plus 4y equals to 10. This is our first equation. Second equation is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. From first, we get 3x equals to 10 minus 4y. X is equal to 10 minus 4y divided by 3. Now put the value of x in second equation. This is third. Put the value of x in second equation. What is second equation? 2x minus 2y, 2x. X is 10 minus 4y divided by 3 minus 2y equals to 2. Now solve this. 20 minus 4 to the 8 by minus 3 to the 6y equals to 6. Now 8 minus 6 is minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14y. 6 minus 20 minus 14y equals to minus 14. Now y is equal to 1. Now put the value of y in third equation. What is our third equation? X is equal to 10 minus 4y divided by 3. So x is equal to 10 minus 4 divided by 3, that is 6 by 3, 3 to the 6, so x value is 2. So this is the x value, this is the y.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.